Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In 2026, making hundreds or even thousands of dollars from meme coins is very real, but not the way most people are doing it. Trading is becoming outdated, and launching your own coins is where the money actually is right now. Pump.fun is absolutely on fire, and more people are starting to realize that thieving is way more profitable than buying. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my full personal strategy from finding the idea all the way to cashing out. Everything's here completely free. Let's get into it. Looking for a free boost to get started? Make sure to stay until the end. I'll randomly drop multiple souls somewhere in this video and you won't want to miss your chance. And by the way, bro, I'm just here to show you how it's done because I've made a lot of money from deving, as you guys can see in my wallet. This is not to flex or anything. I just want you to know that what I'm showing you actually works. Every single dollar in that wallet came from deving meme coins, not by trading. Anyways, let's get straight to deving. The truth is, bro, most people in this space are still trading meme coins, buying in, getting dumped on, and wondering why they aren't making any money. Let me tell you exactly why. Every single time you trade a coin, you are literally just making the dev rich. You are the exit liquidity. You buy in, you hand your money over to some random creator, and bang, he just nukes the chart and dumps directly on you. As a trader, you have absolutely zero control over that. But when you're the dev, you control the liquidity. The dev of this coin is collecting every single fee on every transaction from Pump.fun. He completely controls the supply and he can literally do whatever he wants. And that's exactly why I dev my own meme coins now. When you dev, you are the one in control. We just launch, take our profits, and repeat that method over and over again. Bro, this coin costed literally nothing to create. We risk way less than guys who are just trading. So why would you ever be a trader when you can be the dev instead? That's exactly why I'm making this video. I'm doing a live walkthrough, launching a coin right here and showing you the exact blueprint from zero to thousands of dollars. No gatekeeping. Let's get straight into it. By the way, guys, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here to educate you guys on the thieving subject. This is not financial advice, so please, bro, do your own research. Anyway, let's go. Now, when most people start thieving meme coins on their own, well, Pump.fun is a platform that they go to. It is the most recognizable name. So it feels like the default choice when it comes to actually creating coins, but that is where most people go wrong and make a bunch of mistakes. Pump.fun is fucking oversaturated. You guys already know this. Tokens are launching constantly, and your token doesn't get the attention that it wants to, okay? Thousands of coins launch every single hour on Pump.fun, and most of them just die instantly, and you are just wasting your time and money launching on Pump.fun, okay? On top of that, Pump.fun takes a cut from your liquidity and from your creator fees, so you are not fully in control of your coin. Now, the real goal as a dev is to get your coin in front of the Raydium DEX, also known as the migrate section. Here is where a bunch of people are waiting to buy your coin. There is real liquidity and a bunch of volume here, okay? Personally, when I started trading meme coins, I was only buying Raydium coins in the migrate section because they were safer and they just have a better reputation than Pump.fun. Now, getting your token to reach Raydium on Pump.fun is fucking slow, and you need a $33,000 pump migration price, which is like impossible to get unless you have a bunch of volume and traders in your coin. So yeah, this is exactly why I personally use launchmeme.fun. Honestly, it's one of the best launch pads for Raydium right now because it completely skips the whole bonding curve phase. Your token goes straight to Raydium instantly. That means you're getting exposure to thousands of active buyers right from the moment you launch, and the best part is you still control your entire supply. Now, there are basically two ways to create a coin on launchmeme.fun. First option, you build something from scratch. If you've already got a community, a solid idea, or just a narrative you're convinced will go viral, you can turn that into a coin and launch it right here. You can even go hunting for trending topics on X or other socials to catch them early. Whether you're starting from a blank slate or using the free Twitter tracker, the goal is to move fast. There are thousands of tweets hitting the feed every second from massive accounts like Elon Musk or Donald Trump. With this tool, you can basically turn those viral moments into coins instantly. It's that quick. You can use it to launch your own stuff or just use the data to trade. It's totally up to you. Best of all, it's completely free. Second option, and this is my favorite, is the copy trending coins strategy. Basically, instead of guessing what might work, you're taking coins that are already blowing up on Pump.fun. These tokens already have momentum, real volume, active buyers, and most importantly, a proven narrative. So what you do is simple. You copy those coins directly to Raydium. Now you're not starting from zero, you're tapping into existing demand. You're putting your version of the coin in front of a fresh wave of traders. And since the original coin is already viral, you've got a much higher chance of attracting buyers, sometimes even outperforming the original. So yeah, your odds of catching early profits are just way better with this method. Alright, let me show you exactly how to do it. Let's go. Alright, so first things first, connect your Phantom wallet. Once you're in, hit refresh and start looking for a coin that actually has the potential to run. Something with a strong narrative, good market cap, basically something that could turn into a banger. For this example, I'm going with the butt coin. Just click copy to Raydium. Your Phantom wallet will pop up and yeah, you'll probably see a warning. That's completely normal. Every launchpad throws that in at the start. Just click proceed, then I understand and confirm everything. Give it a few seconds and boom, your token is live. If you open it on Solskin, you can literally see it was minted just seconds ago. Everything's legit, everything works exactly how it should. Alright, now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our token. Go back to the site and click on create liquidity pool. This page is actually super simple. For those who don't really know what's going on here, we're basically setting up the pool that allows people to start buying and selling your token. Once this is live, your coin becomes tradable directly on Raydium. And yeah, this step is mandatory. If you don't do this, your coin isn't really live on chain and nobody can trade it. Now for the token amount, just select 90%. That means 90% of your supply is going into the pool. Right below that, you'll see the option to pair it with Sol. This is basically your first buy into your own coin. And listen, you're not losing money here. You're simply swapping a bit of Sol for your own token supply. That's what creates the initial liquidity and lets others trade. If you ever want to pull your money back out, you can just sell later and it goes straight back to your Phantom wallet. So don't overthink it. It's not like you're burning funds or anything. For this example, I'm putting in 0.3 Sol. Now hit create pool. Your Phantom wallet will pop up like always. You'll probably see that warning again. Completely normal. Every transaction has it. Just click proceed, then I understand, and finally hit confirm. Give it a few seconds and boom, your coin is now officially live and open for trading. Pool created successfully. There it is, your token is created, active, and fully live on chain. Okay, people can see our coin and your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at this moment, click on refresh and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P and L went up to $101, which is a 290% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. Alright, now click on view on Photon. As you can see, our token is already live and it's starting to get some buyers, but now we're going to take it to the next level and add some real momentum. To do that, I use a quick promotion tool. Instead of wasting hours manually posting and trying to get attention, just head over to promote memes.fun. This platform gives your token instant exposure across major trackers like Dex Screener, GMGN, and Birdeye all automatically. Let's do it live. First, connect your Phantom wallet, then just paste your token address and choose your promotion package. There are many other promotion packages like 0.1 Sol, but I'm going with the advanced 0.5 Sol option for maximum reach. You can select whatever package you want to and make sure you toggle include free website. This part is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name, I'll call this one Buttcoin, select Raydium and hit confirm. After that, click pay and promote. Your Phantom wallet will pop up again. And finally, confirm. And that's it, you're done. Now watch this, in just a few seconds it starts building a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. Just like that, you've got a clean landing page with your token details, tokenomics, and real-time chart links. Everything an investor needs to see. Now jump back to Photon and watch your live chart start moving. OMG, look at this. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 7,000 or 8,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my God, bro. More and more people are buying in. I think we're up like $9,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars. This is insane if the meme is hot, and if you use the right tool for MemeCoin promotion, then you can cash out good money. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. Alright guys, I am back and you can see some people selling our coin, but we are up to a $10,000 liquidity. It's actually fucking insane and it's already up a lot, so I'm gonna, dump it. Now, come back to launch Meme.fun and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 10K is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video. Right now, click on the minus button. Do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom Wallet to just show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you do it from the best. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $10,658 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. Every site will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Peace out. Before you jump in and start building a coin, I want to give one of you a head start. I'm giving away multiple souls to so many people to help cover your initial deployment costs. Here's how you can enter. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. Give this video a like and leave a comment below with the words launch. I'll choose the winner in exactly 48 hours and announce it on my Telegram channel. Be sure to follow it, because if you're not following, you won't be eligible to receive any soul coins. I also share regular giveaways there, so keep your eye on it and don't miss your chance.